Launch a premium AI camp in just 14 days. Built for after-school founders and learning centers serving grades 5 to 9. You get the full system: curriculum, marketing assets, enrollment follow-up, and a demo day plan. So you stop guessing and start filling seats. Here's what's really holding most AI camps back. It's not demand. Parents are interested. The problem is positioning and execution. The camp feels generic, the outcome isn't crystal clear for parents, marketing starts late, and leads don't get consistent follow-up. And that's how good programs end up with empty seats. In 14 days, you'll have a camp that sells, not a bunch of ideas, a complete, ready-to-launch package. Everything is structured so parents instantly get it, your team can deliver it, and inquiries turn into enrollments. Standard is focused on one flagship program, AI Creators Lab for grades 5 to 9. Students ship a portfolio-ready outcome, an AI music video short, and they showcase it on demo day. That's the kind of result parents instantly understand. This isn't a worksheet camp, it's a production. They start by coding a beat in Sonic Pi. They turn that vibe into a full song in Suno, guided by prompts. They generate matching visuals, then cut it all into a polished short video, and you screen it on demo day. This is high value because it's not just tools. It's real STEAM and real project-based learning. Coding, creativity, and iterative process with clear deliverables that follows a simple rubric, and a polished final product which parents can see and students are proud to share. The 10-day version usually sells better because students get time to polish and present. The 5-day version is your fast seasonal option, perfect for quick launches or shorter holiday batches. Here's the 14-day sprint. We move in clear phases. First, we lock the offer and pricing. Then we finalize the camp and demo day. Then we build the marketing. Then we set up the enrollment follow-up system. And in the final stretch, we run launch week so you can start enrolling immediately. No reinventing the wheel here. You get plug-and-play templates, the schedules, the rubrics, the demo day plan, the storyboard and shortlist, and even the brochure and landing copy. With follow-up scripts for email and SMS, you move faster, fill seats sooner, and run smoother. Pick the support level that fits you. If you're the "let me build it" type, start with standard. You get the AI Creators Lab, the templates, and the weekly launch clinic. If you want to move faster with feedback, go premium. You'll get the weekly review room, 2 asset reviews each month, priority support, and a launch plan. And if you want high-touch help, VIP is limited to 5. Monthly private calls, weekly check-ins, plus done-for-you brochure and ad creatives each quarter. Don't guess this season. Launch in 14 days. Join standard, start day 0, pick your dates and seats today, and follow the sprint to launch a premium AI camp that parents understand and students love.